Introduction to the global financial markets. In this session, you will learn what the financial market is, the stocks market, the bond market, the commodities market, and the forex market. What is the financial markets? The financial markets go by many names. Some call it the capital markets, Wall Street, and exchange. Some even simply call it the markets. Well, whatever you call them, the financial markets are where traders buy and sell assets. This includes stocks, bonds, derivatives, foreign exchange, commodities, and most recently, cryptos. The financial market is generally a space where buying and selling occurs. It could be physical or virtual. Why do people trade? The major reason why people trade is to gain profitability and financial freedom. Corporations like hedge funds trade so as to increase their profitability of the firms, while individuals trade to gain financial freedom and improve their lifestyle. The financial market is a $6.6 trillion market, and you would like to get your job from that piece. How to access the markets? Trading in global financial markets can either be through a regulated centralized exchange or over the counter. Exchange traded markets operate via a centralized exchange such as New York Stock Exchange, London Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, and many more around the world. Over the counter markets are generally decentralized markets that is made up of a network of different dealers who compete to link buyers and sellers. An example of over-the-counter markets is we at Eagle Global Markets. We're a broker that offer you the financial service over the counter from your mobile phone or your laptop to the financial markets. When it comes to over-the-counter markets, the financial markets can be categorized into the following, such as the stocks market, the bonds market, the commodities market, and the foreign exchange market. The stocks market. The stock market is where you can buy and sell the shares of public companies. Let's say, for instance, you want to trade Apple shares. The stock market is where you go to. Each shares come at a price. An investor can either make money when stocks do well, which is called buying or going long, or when they don't, which is called selling or going short. The bond market. The bond market is also called or known as the debt market. The bond market is a financial market that deals with the trade and issuing of debt securities. It offers opportunities for companies and governments to secure money to finance a project or investment. In the bonds market, investors buy bonds from a company and the company returns the amount of bond within an agreed period plus interest. That is how you see the government and companies get enough funds to carry out their projects. The commodity market. The commodity market is where traders and investors buy and sell natural resources or commodities such as corn, oil, meat, gold, and so much more. A specific market is created for such resources because their price is unpredictable. The foreign exchange market, the forex market. The most commonly known of the markets is the foreign exchange market, forex, and it's a decentralized global market where currencies are bought and sold. About $6.6 trillion is traded per day in this market, and 88% involves the United States dollar, the USD. To the end of this, it is safe to say that the financial market is very essential to us, and it is the best and most less risky way to acquire more wealth. Why? Number one, it's the largest market in the world. It's the largest market in the world means you can easily make money from it. It has various branches, which are stocks, bonds, commodities, equities, crypto, foreign exchange, etc. to select from and make money. If you're someone who doesn't like to trade stocks, you could opt for foreign exchange. If you're someone who doesn't like to trade foreign exchange, you can opt for cryptocurrencies. And if you don't like cryptocurrencies, you could opt for equities. There is a lot of options to choose from, and it's favorited for you. It is the most advantageous market with high profit potential. The forex market, or the financial markets to be precise, has the most profit potential where it is very easy for you to grow your wealth. We've come to the end of this recording for this session, and see you in the next one.